It's the kind of cold winter day that makes for angry bones, and I could light this floor on fire. It's a crazy kind of cold. Would you fly to me, love? Would you fly me away from this cold winter day?
I'm driving home, and it is just blizzard conditions. Hopefully you can see the roads haven't been plowed too much, and the truck keeps spinning. But I'm getting there slowly but surely. It's been 50 minutes since I left Eva's work, and I'm probably 2/3 of the way home. It's taken me twice as long to get this far as it normally takes her to get all the way home. But I'll be there in a minute. But now I'm closer to home, and it's just getting worse the closer you get to the lake. See the vineyards? The wind is howling. Roll down the window.
So fly me to the sun, to a warm stretch of land. Nothing but the sound of the water rolling over the sand. There's nothing in our way but the distance between you and me and this cold winter day. A frosty cold window pane looking over the street, and she flashed a smile as she walked by. Felt it burning in my feet. Would you fly to me, love? Would you fly me?
I'm gonna look out the back door at the blizzard that's going on out there. The snow is drifting like crazy, and it's blowing a lot of it away.
I want pictures of that, of how deep it is there. I want recordings. I want to make sure that we remember this. It's St. Valentines snowstorm of 2007. It's still coming down.
It's going really hard.
We need to go out there and play. No, don't do that. The snow will come in.
Snow almost fell in the house.
Go around to the side of the house.
Where are you going? Did it hurt? Not a smart thing to do.
Breath out of me. I thought it'd be soft snow.
Oh, no.
Oh, that hurt.
Poor baby.
That hurt so bad. Look, it says
pretty-
Auburn in the snow.
Does this say Auburn?
Yes. Auburn backwards.
I can't see it.